Meteorologist Kyle Gravlin is standing by, kind of setting things up on the radar there, Kyle.
Yeah, so if we just kind of switch sources here, and Amy can use these going forward for those in the back, but we'll take a look here at the computer. So I'm just going to take the same image she was just talking about, but we're going to zoom in considerably here as there was kind of a couplet there that we could see. And the problem with trying to find tornadoes in a hurricane is that they are very short-lived. So for a moment there, and if I try to rewind this just a frame, there was a visible couplet, and there it is. I'm going to zoom right in just southeast of Miko here, right off the water, and trying to work on shore. This is what the National Weather Service saw. That is why we had this warning issued. So green right here. Those are winds going toward the radar, reds and pretty strong winds right there since they're brighter in color going away from the radar. This is that couplet that the National Weather Service spotted on radar. And that was just a few minutes ago. Notice that clock there at 5:17, so we're a couple minutes after that at this point. So that's what they spotted. Now, if we loop this again or just go to current radar, I'm guessing at this point it almost looks like it's already starting to fall apart here. So what we've seen with some of these warnings so far, we can come back out for a second. We've had numerous warnings with Irma so far when it comes to tornadoes. Most of them have only lasted for a matter of minutes. We had one just a little bit earlier, just south of here, and Amy was on air talking about it. Right after she finished talking about it, the National Weather Service canceled it. So you see that this warning is in effect until 5:45. It's 5:19 right now. We're already starting to see signs that maybe this is kind of falling apart. These are brief spin-up tornadoes you get with hurricanes. They're usually not very strong. They certainly can be. We've seen EF1s and EF2s in hurricanes, but for the most part, they are weak and they are very brief. So we're not seeing a whole lot after that one little couplet was distinct on radar, but now not looking quite as bad. Amy, you have anything else over there?
Yeah, no, I was just checking.